everybody, thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. Brian and I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of our plans for this channel in 2023. First, let's rewind the clock and look back at how far we've come. We started this channel in 2021 by just doing some live streaming video, and the video quality was horrific. We've made a lot of changes since then, and we've really upped the production value of this channel, but we still have big plans for 2023. So Brian, first question for you. Are we going to be bringing back stocks from scratch?
Well, that is something that we would love to do. What we need are some stocks that we can look at from scratch. Hopefully the IPO market will heat up in the year ahead and we can bring that back.
All right, Brian, how about the public portfolio that we're building? What's our plan for that?
Our plan for that is to round it out with 30 companies total. That means we only have a few more to go. Once we have that, we'll be keeping it at 30 and updating, but we're not going to be adding to it.
How about money and investing lessons? Are we going to do any more of those?
Now, those are the things that we're going to focus on the most in the year moving forward. It should be noted, those take more time to produce, to make, to film, and so there might not be as many, but we hope they add a lot of value.
How about interviews? We did several in 2022. We're going to do more in the year ahead?
If we can get people that we want to interview to answer us back and come on the channel, we will do as many as we can.
How about earnings? We've done a lot of earnings coverage. Are we going to continue to do that?
Not only are we going to continue to do earnings coverage, but we're going to look to be able to add a little bit more, which brings us to our last edition.
We want to introduce you to the newest Brian on our team. Everyone say hi to Brian Withers.
Hey there, excited to be here.
Brian Stoffel and I have known Brian Withers for years now, and we look forward to bringing him onto the channel so he can help us to do even more earnings reviews of companies.
So typically we've noticed that people are most interested in stocks that go down after earnings. So we'll still be covering those, but we want to do more, and having Brian on board is going to help us to do that.
Now, Brian Withers is not new to investing. He's been buying and selling individual stocks for more than 20 years, and he knows financial statements and 10Ks just as well as we do. So we look forward to having him as a part of the YouTube team. So that's it. We hope to make this channel even better into 2023 and produce even more content that's very high quality. Thank you so much for subscribing and for watching our videos. It truly means the world to us. Brian's out.